looks like I'm in a dark room, but I'm not. Let me open the doors. It's cloudy. It's cloudy out there. And we got the little Kaiboa. She's Kaiboa. Say Kaiboa. Can you say Kaiboa, please? Can you say it? Please say it. She's a little bit shy when it comes to words, but she knows words in 4 languages. Uh-oh. It's congestion because she actually ate some food that was not so good. Processed foods. What am I going to talk about? I have so many ideas in my head right now that I want to give you directly and honestly. And much of it has to do with the future world, which is actually coming to now. Why is our world, why is our system the way it is? You ever asked that? Well, is it because of purpose? God's purpose in it? Is the world evil to begin with? Is the world in confusion? Is the world an illusion, like the Maya? This is the Buddhist says that you have to be detached from everything. Are we just stuck in this matrix?
Don't eat with that now.
I'm contemplating these things forever. And in the flesh now, in my life, in my present life. It's just to confirm all these things that are known, so that the prophecy will be fulfilled through us. Our prophecy, this is what was written since the beginning of time, that it will all come to pass. That means that it all should happen according to divine plan. There's no randomness. Even Einstein said that God does not play with the dice. He doesn't roll dice for games of chance. Everything is exact and ordered. He said this about God, but he doesn't say this about people. People do play with the dice. That's how they conduct their lives. And you know, some of it seems like experimentation. Some of it seems like a way of learning things so we can learn from our mistakes. But there's a limit to that. There's a limit to how much of that is happening. What's really going on is that we're verifying the rules of the law and order. And we will have law and order in this planet.
No, that's true.
And it will unfold accordingly. Now, many of the people out there are living a life of rebellion.
You gonna eat?
And this rebellion is only going to have eternal punishment as its reward. Eternal punishment.
And also I want to go to the garden and a woman, I want to see she has mint.
Tea is good. Tea is healing. Herbal tea? What kind of herbs are you putting in there, Ima?
I'm making a
It's Shabbat. Now for Kaiboa, we do follow things of an ancient tradition. Some of it is in the Jewish, some from mystical orders. Rosicrucian, Kabbalistic, it's from Kabbalah, or from Quran. Some of the things in the Quran are very potent. Islam, submission to Allah. Allah, Jehovah Elohim. Jehovah Elohim, Kabbalah. Kabbalah. Allah. We're taking care of our bodies. This is what is given. We dwell in the temple. Keep the temple pure. Keep your temple pure. Keep holy the temple. This is where the Spirit must reside. Into the temple. Into the temple it goes. And it will stay there to do its work. And the duty that you have is for God's pleasure. God's pleasure. Pleasing to God. Offer yourself as the first fruits. First fruits. Have the angels that you're going to command. They're there to help you do the work. There are many orders of hierarchies. The cherubim, cherubs, and then there are the seraphim, seraphs. And there are 6 other orders, all the way up to the highest order, the Elohim, Elohim, Jehovah Elohim, which is derived from the ineffable name of the Tetragrammaton, the Yod He Vav He, Yahweh. But it's all united, even the undifferentiated, the unmanifest, the concealed, which cannot be described in any other way, any human fleshly terms. This is the undifferentiated source of all being. Is it Atma? Is it Brahma? From that system of thought, is it Buddha? Highest Buddhahood? No, Buddha doesn't really go up to that point of enlightenment. Enlightenment is the highest stage of humanity. Is it a personified God as Krishna? No, there's a little difference there. But it is a practical way that I believe is derived from Jainism, the Jains. And, you gotta get that out. I told you gotta get it out because it's in you right here. What were you eating? Were you eating something good and healthy?
This one.
Apatia?
No,
Having some raw food. Did you eat cheese?
Yeah.
Cheese is actually could be giving you problem if you eat impure cheese. You have to eat the best cheese from the best cows for the best milk, or goats, or sheep.
We should talk about the coconut.
They want to talk about coconuts, but coconuts are not the subject.
What did Ima and Ima do today?
You got coconuts.
Ima and Ima harvested today.
They harvested coconuts. Now this is a great way to conclude the video on a high note, on the highest note of what you're going to be doing as Kaiboa, is to do coconuts and avocados and mangoes. I'm going to show...